They're asking, what is the probability that from 0 to 100 you are choosing one integer. From 0 to 100 you are choosing one integer. Okay, what is the probability that it is, okay, make it easier. One by one. Suppose that in a box there are 2 red balls, 5 black balls and 6 white balls. In a box there are 2 red ball, 5 black ball and 6 white ball in a box. All are mixed together. So you are randomly choosing one ball. You are randomly choosing one ball. Then my question is that what is the probability that the ball will be black in color? That the ball will be black in color. First of all, you tell me how many black balls are there? There are 5 black balls. So therefore, if you are choosing one black ball, that one black ball will come from this 5 black ball. Therefore, 5 is the favorable cases. 5 is the what? Favorable cases, is it not? And total number of balls, how many total number of balls are there? 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. 13 is the total number of ball. Then what is the probability of getting a black ball? Is equal to favorable case by total outcome. 5 by 13. Now, if they are asking that what is the probability, suppose you are choosing one or you are choosing one ball from the box randomly, and what is the probability that the ball drawn is not a black ball? Is not a black ball. There are 2 ways are there to solve this type of sums. अगर वो black ball नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? ये red होगा या white होगा? तो red ball, what is the probability of getting the red ball? Very simple, 2 by 13. What is the probability of getting the white ball? 6 by 13. दोनों को ऐड करो ना भाई, कितना आएगा? 8 by 13. Is it clear? Understand? अगर हम ऐसे करें, टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी कितना होता है? 1 होता है. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू 1. टोटल प्रोबेबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू 1. सो इफ आई subtract 5 by 13 from the total probability, what you will get? 13 minus 5 is equal to how much? 8 by 13. So in this way also you can solve this type of sums. Not getting a black ball means 8 by 13. Finish. One more sum. Suppose that you are throwing 2 dice. You are throwing 2 dice. What is the probability? What is the probability of getting doublet? What is the probability of getting doublet? Whenever you are throwing the 2 dice, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the first die. For the second die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is it not? Then what is the meaning of the doublet? Doublet means you will get the same number in both the dice. Then number 1 doublet, number 2 doublet, number 3 doublet, number 4 doublet, number 5 doublet, number 6 doublet. So total number of doublet कितना है? 6. So this is your what? Favorable cases. This is your favorable cases. Now can you please tell me what is the total outcome here? What is the total outcome here? Just see here. Total outcome, if I take the first dice, then first die is 1, second die is 1. First die is 1, second die is 2. First die is 1, second die is 3. First die is 1, second die is 4. First die is 1, second die is 5. First die is 1, second die is 6. That means for this number 1, I am getting 6 cases. Then for these 6 numbers, how many cases you will get? 6 into 6. Total how many? 36. So 36 is your total sample space or total outcome. Then what is the probability of getting a doublet? Nothing. 6 by 36 is equal to how much? 1 by 6. Is it not? 1 by 6. Very simple. 1 by 6. Next. So in the probability, they will give this type of sums, and generally, I mean not generally actually, the last 5 years or last 6 years what I have seen, that in the probability chapter, if they are giving some card problems, in the card problems they are not giving the sums of the king, queen, jack, diamond, etc. and etc. ठीक है ना? So that means don't disturb your mind with this type of sums. Means हमको तो भाई कार्ड पहले I have to identify the cards, स्पेस क्या होता है, क्लब्स क्या होता है, नो नीड. What they will give? They will give that you have 25 cards. You have 25 cards having the number 1 to 25. Having the number 1 to 25. One card you are choosing. Then what is the probability that the number which you are getting in the card, it will be divisible by, suppose it will be divisible by 2. It will be divisible by 2. Then tell me, from 1 to 25, how many numbers are there which are divisible by 2? Bolo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. So divisible by 2. This number, and this number. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 numbers are there which are divisible by 2. And total how many cards are there? 25. So total outcome is 25. Then what is the probability of getting the card will show that a number which is divisible by 2? 12 by 25. It is the answer. 12 by 25. Finish. Next. And always remember that total probability always equal to 1. They may ask in the MCQ. Total probability always equal to 1, and probability always lie between 0, probability of A less than equal to 1. Remember it, Probability always lie within this interval. 0 less than equal to probability of A less than equal to 1. So probability is over. Next, about something remainder and factor theorem. Remainder and factor theorem. Remainder and factor theorem. Okay. Suppose that they are saying that two polynomials are there. X cube minus 2x square plus px minus 4. It is a one polynomial. Now they have said that x minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. X minus 2 is a factor of this polynomial. Then what is the value of p? What is the value of p? Simply I will put x equal to 2 over here. Working rule. Just remember this working rule in this position. Don't try to learn why and from where it is coming. No need. जहाँ पे तुम फैक्टर देखोगे x minus 2 equal to 0, मतलब x का वैल्यू 2 होता है, वो 2 इधर पुट करो, इक्वल 0 करो, p का वैल्यू फाइंड कर दो, हो गया. Then what will do? 8 minus 2 square मतलब 4 2 is 8 plus 2p minus 4 equal to 0 लिखो. 8 cancel, 2p equal to 4. What's the value of p? P value is 2. मतलब if the value of p is 2, then x minus 2 will be a factor of this polynomial. Finish. Now suppose that they are asking the same polynomial I am taking, fx equal to x cube minus 2x square plus px minus 4. If it is divided by x minus 2, if it is divided by x minus 2, leaves the remainder is equal to suppose minus 1. Leaves the remainder minus 1. Then what is the value of p? What is the value of p? तो क्या करोगे, जहां फैक्टर नहीं होगा रिमाइंडर होगा तो क्या करेंगे, इक्वल टू 0 मत लिखो, इक्वल टू -1. मेथड सेम, वैल्यू ऑफ x यू पुट इक्वल टू -1. तो क्या करेंगे बोलो, 8 - 8 प्लस 2p - 4 इज इक्वल टू -1. क्योंकि इधर रिमाइंडर है, इधर में फैक्टर है, फैक्टर मतलब रिमाइंडर 0 होता है, इसलिए 0 लिखे हम. ठीक है. देन यू विल गेट हियर 8 कैंसिल, 2p इज इक्वल टू कितना आ रहा है 4 and 3. सो वैल्यू ऑफ p इक्वल टू 3/2. इज इट क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? p equal to 3/2. So many students are making mistakes over here regarding the factor and the remainder. जहाँ पे remainder होगा equate with the remainder, जहाँ पे factor होगा equate with the 0. सिर्फ ये चीज़ तुमको याद रखना होगा. ठीक है. So one more sum what they are giving from this chapter. This type of sums they can give, generally gives I am erasing this. I will do this type of sums. They have said use factor theorem to factorize x cube plus 2x square minus 5x minus 6. Use factor theorem to factorize it. Use factor theorem to factorize it. Suppose this one is your fx. So actually what is the highest power of x here? 3. Therefore if I factorize it, I will get 3 factors. So how many factors I will get? I will get 3 factors. Out of these 3 factor, the first factor I will find out by the heat and trial method. The first factor I will find by the heat and trial method. How can you find it by heat and trial method? मतलब क्या करेंगे हम? I will put x equal to 1. I will start with x equal to 1. देखेंगे 0 होगा या नहीं होगा. If I am getting 0, x equal to 1 के लिए तो x minus 1 is a factor. If I am not getting 0 for x equal to 1, you try with x equal to -1. If for x equal to -1 you are getting 0, then x plus 1 is a factor. If you are not getting 0, then try with x equal to 2. Done. Then generally within 3 you will get the answer. So suppose I am taking x equal to, what will take? X equal to -1. -1 plus 2. Not 1. 1 plus 2. If I take x equal to -1 क्या कितना मिलेगा? तो बोलते हो -1 plus 2 minus 5 minus 6. No need. नहीं होगा ये. Then suppose that x equal to 2 I am taking, x equal to 2. तो 8 plus 8 minus 5 minus 6. It's coming? No. X equal to -2 minus 8. Then plus 8 minus 10 minus 6. X equal to 1. 1 plus 2 minus 5 minus 6. Right. Suppose x equal to, if you take -1, what will get? -1 plus 2, sorry ये plus 5 होगा ना, plus 5. तो 7 and -7. I am getting 0 ना. So that means x equal to -1 is satisfying, no? X equal to -1 is satisfying. So for x equal to -1 I am getting it is equal to 0. Then you write since fx is equal to 0 for x equal to -1, therefore x plus 1 is a factor. So I have got my first factor. So I need more 2 factors. how to find it. Very simple method. What is the coefficient of x cube? 1. Coefficient of x square is 2. Coefficient of x is minus 5. Constant term is minus 6. Just draw this line. Then x equal to minus 1. Write down this minus 1 here. This 1 you write here. दोनों को multiply करो. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. 2 minus 1. How much? 1. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Minus 5 minus 1 how much? Minus 6. Minus 1 minus 6 means into करोगे तो plus 6 होगा. 6 minus 6 कितना रहे? 0. Done. Then this 1 means x square. 1x square. This 1 means plus 1 into x minus 6. Actually I am getting here x square plus x minus 6. Now middle term factor. X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. You take x common. X plus 3 minus 2 common, x plus 3. I am getting x plus 3 into x minus 2. So many students are losing a marks over here. They are leaving the answer over here. They are not getting the 1 marks. Out of 4 marks, they are getting only 3 marks. Why? Because they have said, they have asked, factorize this polynomial. So that means the last answer must be all in product form. All the factors must be in product form. X plus 3 into x minus 2. Is it clear, students? So this type of sums also generally give. Okay, in most cases they are giving this type of sums. They will say it is the remainder, find the value of p. It is the factor, find the value of q. The two remainders are same. So value of x, value of, suppose one type of sum also, suppose that fx equal to, they have said x cube plus px square minus 3x plus 2. Done. And gx is equal to, suppose x cube plus what I say, x cube plus 2x minus px plus 5. So if I divide these two polynomials by x minus 2, if I divide these two polynomials by x minus 2, in both the cases I will get the same remainder. I will get the same remainder. Then what is the value of p? क्या करोगे भाई? Simply x equal to 2 put करो. इधर में भी x equal to 2 put करो. If I put x equal to 2 over here, I will get what? Remainder in terms of p. If I put x equal to 2 here, I will get one more remainder in terms of p. Is it clear? अभी दोनों रिमाइंडर को इधर में रिमाइंडर r1 आएगा, इधर में रिमाइंडर r2 आएगा. r1 equal to r2, equate them, you will get the value of p from here. So this type of question also they are getting. These 3 type of questions you have to do. These 3 type of questions you have to do from this chapter. Finish. Next, the last one sum I will show you, that this type of sums they are giving in each and every year. In each and every year they are giving this type of sum from the proportion chapter. From the proportion chapter, and this type of sums you practice 100 times, you practice 100 times. I am telling you. From the chapter proportion.